Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about the Bluetooth problem in your device Vivo Y3s. So if in your device your Bluetooth is not working, like it's not connecting or not working, or you are unable to use Bluetooth, you can solve all these Bluetooth related issues with the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the complete video and learn how you can solve the Bluetooth issue in your device. Let's watch it.